Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so if you can see up there, there's a Casino Lisboa, and so what we're gonna do is try to go inside it. So I'll just kind of show you a little bit. I think I think I'm being filmed by. I got my YouTube camera, and I saw her and she looked like she was gonna try to film me anyways, and then she got me, so it's fine. It's kind of funny. Okay, so at nighttime this is really well lit up, and sometimes they put like a New Year's it'll all be lit up, and it'll be like they can put words in Chinese or English. At the moment it's 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m., so it's not lit up at the moment. But I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. You can actually take these escalators inside, but I'm just going to go into the ground floor and we'll see how far I can get with the camera. I know they won't let you into the casino grounds with the camera, but I think I can get in. That's me. I think I can just get in with the camera in the front area. I think that's let's see. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is the lobby, inside the lobby. And you can see all the garishness, I guess you'd call it. And then you have all these artifacts. Some shops, some maps. Actually, I can get like a what's up map over there in English. Maybe I'll just go up and get one. Let's see. Hello. Do you have a thing that's like a what's up of Macau for July?
What?
Like a map with all the events in Macau?
You need a map? Oh, we have the map for you.
Okay. That's perfect. In English?
What's on is the events happen in this month.
Perfect. That's the one.
That's
yeah.
the one. And includes a
Here's the
small map for you. But this is more details. If you don't mind, you can take it as well.
This is perfect, actually. Yeah, I'll take this one. Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so this one has all the stuff that's going on in Macau. And so if you ever come to Macau and you need to get a map, this is the place to get it. This is the desk to get it. And then I'll just kind of show you the map. So there's a big map of Macau, and then if you flip it over, there's one of Taipa. Macau is divided into two parts. So I'll just show you in a minute when we show you some of the opulence and everything in here. You see it's a little bit wet. It's okay. So right here we also have the Taipa map as well. And basically what you can do is if you have this map, you can see the bus stops. So if you're trying to get somewhere, like Sao Paulo Ruins is up here, you can see what bus stops go near there, and then you can take a bus and get up there. Anyways, I basically got it because it also has everything for this month, and I was gonna to see what's going on this month for one. And then while I'm here, I'll just show you the inside. But yeah, so this is the inside of the casino. Lots of people taking pictures, lots of artwork, lots of everything. See, this one looks pretty cool right here. So this one is tree root carving of Xianxin. It's really cool. I like that a lot. Beautiful. Anyways, kind of gives you an idea. There's more stuff over here too, so we'll film a little bit of this. Jade, a lot of jade stuff. Okay. And shops. Chinese medicine kind of stuff for sure. I think these casinos go up into the hotels, and actually some of them you can go up to. There's some restaurants in here that are open to the public. Swimming pool, you have to pay for that. Casinos. Footbridge goes to the other casino. Okay, I'm gonna close it off right there. Okay, we're still in Lisboa, so it's gonna come right up on this mirror here. It looks kind of cool. So there we go. and we're gonna walk down this way. This basically, these are all the elevators that go up, and more Buddhist stuff, which is pretty cool. Basically, a lot of Chinese artifacts, which are usually with culture and religion. And this is like a clock that looks like a little bit Europeanish. But there's a Chinese guy in there, so. Okay. Jade. Okay. So we're gonna exit again. Might just walk the length of it and just try to get to another part of the city by staying inside. It's raining outside actually. So, okay. You see all of the chandeliers, some of the artwork, more of the artwork. I guess they sit on the artwork too. Okay. I didn't realize you could sit on artwork. Probably can't, but I have no idea. I guess they casino entrance. So, okay. A lot of people just kind of hanging out here. This is I guess must be waiting for a bus or something. I don't know. I think there are tour buses that come up here, so they might be just waiting. They must have a certain time for that. And anyways, we go outside, and I'll show you the outside of it as well. So okay. Gonna go right through go right through here. Yeah, when you're over here, you kind of feel like you're in the mainland. And this is actually the outside of it, so you've probably seen some other videos of mine. If you haven't, go check them out. But this is the outside of it, so okay, I'm gonna click through there. So I was inside the Grand Lisboa casino. There's someone with a lot of cardboard. I don't see that in Macau very often, so we'll just stick to this a little bit. Actually, this is an interesting place to film because a lot of people just they stare a lot as if they've never seen a foreigner, which is not common in Macau at all. But it's pretty common in the mainland, so a lot of mainland, you know, maybe it might be the first time out of the mainland China, you know, so could actually try to just capture that if I wanted to. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, with that we'll conclude. Actually, I'm going to conclude in a minute. I'm going to walk up to these little cyclos that are here from yesteryear. They just come and pick up tourists, but I think it's like, again, mostly mainland, because they would still have those in the mainland, but they don't use them here at all except for the tourist areas. Hello. Hello. There's another one too, and a whole row of them over there. Okay, so we're going to conclude this video. Wow, a lot of tourists here. Okay. Leave it right there. Grand Lisboa.